So we're back again with this little solder pot. So first video just showed it working, and yeah, it works absolutely fine. It's supplied with a illegal plug. Can't sell products in the UK with European plugs fitted. But other than that, it works fine. But I'm just a bit dubious of the quality, and we're going to have a little look inside today. May even lengthen this cable, just replace the cable. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the cable, and this securing grommet, and as you can see there, it is 100% fail. It's doing absolutely nothing, so that is completely unsafe. Don't know what the hell they were thinking of. It just falls apart. I'm not even really putting any pressure on that. It's just a complete joke. So yeah, not impressed with that. But let's get these screws out, and we'll have a little look at the rest. Not expecting anything too clever, but it would be nice to know that it's safe, but it clearly isn't. Okay, so the solder just fell out. So that's a quick look inside. You've got that failed cable clamp. There is the on-off switch and the small PCB with a fuse, and that's controlling the element. So let's have a look at this earth first of all. Well, there you go. This earth is completely loose, so that's protecting absolutely nothing. Now, is that because the screw has not been tightened, or just because it's crap and it can't be tightened any more than that? Shocker, literally. No, the screw feels relatively tight. Yeah, in fact, the screw was loose. That's tightened up now. It's not perfect. I'm going to take it off actually, because I'd like to see whether there's a captive nut or whether this is a self-tapping screw. Yeah, it's just a little self-tapping. No, it's not. No, that is threaded, but the paint's not been removed, and although the screw thread is going to be making good contact, it would be nice to see the paint actually scraped off of that. God, that's just terrible. So I actually think we're going to be changing the whole cable here. So the neutral and live is actually just soldered on, so we're going to be able to just unsolder those wires, and we'll wire up a proper, except the soldering iron's turned off, we'll wire up a proper cable that's long enough. There's a tiny little cable tie in there. That was probably what they were relying on to stop it all falling apart and coming out. God. So yeah, that is clearly not up to the task. In fact, this isn't even a properly made clamp. Usually there's a piece of plastic inside there that the cable is forced to go around, so when that pushes down on it, the cables goes up, along and down and then back out, but yeah, that's just rubbish. That is not up to the job of doing anything really. Absolute rubbish. So yeah, let's get these unsoldered. Even that switch feels loose in there. There's the little cable type. So I think what I'm going to do is wire up one of my... actually no, we're going to have to find a bit of cable for this. So what we'll do is we will use an IEC lead. We're going to cut the end off and fit a plug, and this is obviously earthed. Fuck it. Probably going to have to find some little washers, well, the eyelets rather, washers. I don't suppose this is going to clamp any better, but we'll see if that will go through. All we're going to do there is bend the metal. God dear. Yeah, that has got in, but has that actually... See, it's still not able to grip the cable. It's just utter rubbish, and that's why that cable tie was fitted. They were hoping that would stop it pulling out, so it really is just utter rubbish. Dear. So let's get that neutral wire connected. Typical, fill out. Okay, that's that one done. The live just needs to go onto the switch. So really it's just the earth to sort out now. So we are going to need to find a little crimp-on connector for that. I've got them somewhere but not with me. I wasn't expecting to have to do this, so yeah, I think we'll just pause this video there and come back in a minute. But you can see even with that much thicker cable that's still able to pull out, and yeah, I can't do much else with that really apart from fit a proper cable grommet if we can find one and sort out that earth. But yeah, utter rubbish. 30 something quid I think from Amazon, and you can see why it's 12 quid on eBay. Just rubbish. Anyway, back in a minute.